He act like this with his dick. That's why he gonna try to overrule you.
Stop.
He can't wait till he get.
Relax, man, okay?
I don't want to get no trouble.
That's right. You need to listen.
I'm going to get on your phone.
No.
Please.
Look what the way you just talking. You said you didn't see my phone. No.
Sorry.
Not gonna cut it.
Sorry.
What? What?
Wait till you see the doctor. Go home and lunchtime.
What
What's
good?
up, what you were getting, Mario Addison?
No. You put my leg in there.
Come on, relax, okay?
Give me that phone. I'll throw it across the face.
But Bill, stop talking to me like that.
Close.
No!
That's why I said I want to say something out loud.
No!
Big pop, big. What?
No!
Okay? Come on.
Boy, sit down, boy. What's wrong with you?
Sit your butt down, boy.
No.
Come on. Gary.
Daddy, sit your butt down.
This is Armitage.
Look,
I'm a baller!
you ready to call up on. Look,
It's time to leave.
stop with DCF fast. You never know when you're around.
Doors closing.
It's time to go.
I get it. Come on, no man. I'm cool with it.
Did he take his medicine today?
Yep.
I didn't take my medicine.
Yes, you did.
I never take my medicine.
Really?
It's not Antonio. No, it's not. No, it's not. That's it. It's not. No, it's freaking not. No, it's freaking not.
You smiling, you posting it.
She mad as hell, for real. She trying to control herself. I already know.
You ain't gotta do. Wrap one across your leg and say, no. Think about 6 times.
Kiss my feet.
Ooh,
Kiss my feet now.
ooh.
Really? Okay. Hey.
This
You
is
gotta hit me.
I'm gonna hit
transferred to
you.
Red
You
Line
fall.
trains and Wellington. This is Brown Line train.
Wellington. I think we passed Wellington already.
Yeah.